Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is somewhat of a very simple autumn friendly look. Let's just call it autumn friendly brown smoky eyeshadow. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, please continue to watch on. Any information you will need will be in the description bar. I'll be using Morphe's 39A palette to complete today's look. Start off by using Evolve just as the transitional colour. You want to make sure that this is very well blended. And then for the inner eyelid area, I use Mass. I now buy my lashes from eBay, and these are 25mm ones. I'll insert the link for them in the description bar. I have just about finished on my eyes. I applied my eyelash and did my eyeliner off camera. It's a lot thicker on this side than it is on this side, so collectively we're going to have to ignore that. So onto the face. For this part, I'll actually be talking into the camera. To begin, I hydrate my skin with my Lip and Fab Dragon's Blood Fix Serum. And this feels really cooling on the skin. Maybe my bottle's just cold, but it has a nice cooling effect. That's my skin prepped. For foundation, I'll be using my Maybelline FitMe Matte and Poreless in 356. Dealing with the madness. Streets turn me into a savage. I can't live a life that is average. And with my buffing brush by Raw Techniques. Around we dropping off the package. Hop inside, take a ride. Let's just vibe. Let's get right, yeah. Hop inside, take a ride. Let's just vibe. Let's get right, yeah. Do you wanna ride with a trap me? Do you wanna ride with a trap me? To highlight my face, I'll be using C12 and C13 from Makeup Revolution. Spend some cash with you. Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? And then just with my face expert brush. Normally I let it dry a bit, but spend some cash with you. So to contour my face, I'll be using C16 from that same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define range. So just using a contour brush by Raw Techniques. To blend out my nose contour, I use a pointed foundation brush by Real Techniques. When I snap figures, blow a bell with you, share love with you, spend some cash with you. Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? When I snap figures, blow a bell with you, share love with you, spend some cash with you. Got some stops to make today. Better paid than getting late. Come outside, I'm on my way. This is probably the worst nose contour I've ever done. Oh my gosh, what is going on, Tony? We'll get there, we've got no choice. So to set my contour, I use this matte bronzer from B, which is sold at Superdrug. Let's get right, yeah. Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? When I snap figures, blow a bell with you, share love with you, spend some cash with you. And then to fix the nose contour, it's looking scary looking. I prefer this shade to Sweet's contour kit because the brown has a lot more warmth in it, and I don't look ashy when the whole look is done. To set my highlighted areas, I'm using my black Opal Deluxe finishing powder. It's been a while since I used this, but I lost my Sacha Buttercup powder when I was on holiday, and I don't want to buy it again. I feel like I should try something different. Recommend me any of your favourite setting powders.
Let's just vibe. Let's get right, yeah. Hop inside. Take a ride. Let's just vibe. Let's get right, yeah. Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? When I stack figures, blow a bag with you, share life with you, spend some cash with you. Do you wanna ride with a trap nigga? Do you wanna ride with
I now use a glitter eyeshadow that I bought from KIKO. It is called the Glitter Shower Eyeshadow in shade 2. I don't like using as much highlight as I used to when I was younger. A little really goes a long way. I'm trying to look like the sun is residing on my face, so just work that in. Simple, light. So for lips, I still haven't managed to find that perfect lip liner. I've just been using a £1 Spice Brown pencil from the hair shop. My Spice Brown pencil from the hair shop. My favourite lip gloss at the moment is from KIKO. It's from their 3D Hydra gloss range. It is in shade 9. It is a beautiful peachy pink and it is just cute. I'm just going to go over my eyeshadow at the bottom of my eye. Because this is a really smoked out brown look, I want to also bring it onto my face. This is the finished look. I like how it turned out. I think I look cute. Do you think I look cute? Let me know if there's any more information you will need. Check the description bar for the product list. I have filmed the eyebrow tutorial, so Lord knows which video I'll have out first. So keep your eyes peeled. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Thank you for tuning in.